Look at YouTube video. Today I'm gonna make blooket in 80 minutes. Last time we made it in 40 minutes, so yeah, and to say the least, it wasn't that good. Like, this is all we had. We had this. Like, what even is that? Like the pack would still be here and you're still in the books page. So today we're going to be updating it, and we're going to have another 40 minutes. So yeah, let's go. Oh, I already started. So another thing we gotta do is when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, we hide. Wait, so just backdrop 1, we show. So yeah, we finally won't have this anymore. Next thing I want to do is improve the artwork a bit, and this is all from memory, so yeah. For the king, we're just gonna make this crown like way better by doing more like this. Yeah, that's like not way better, and I accidentally did like 2 spikes instead of 3, so perfect, just like that. And the next thing I need to add is a red suit, because that's what the king wears. So I'm pretty sure it looks like this. I'm pretty sure there's gray on it, but I don't really remember the design. And now I'm also just going to remove this and the dragon because it kind of looks terrible. And for a jester, we're just going to make it slightly better. For the wizard, what I gotta do is add the wizard hat. Like this. So it looks slightly more like a wizard. And just gonna make the hat look a little better. So I'm gonna do something like this. Perfect. So now the hat looks way better. Like that. So yeah, now we have a lot more upgrades, and now I also need to update this. Just do that and add that there. This. And then also do this like that. Alright, perfect. Now the artwork looks way better, and so does the game. The other thing I need to add to the game is to do this. When the green flag clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So it goes to market. Also, I'm also going to make this look better because it's kind of messy out of this point. So we just make it smaller, like that. Perfect, and then we just put that in the middle. And the same for this. Just make it a little smaller. You know what, I'm just going to copy this so the size is the same. Then we'll just go down a few blocks like that and we name it Market. Okay, why is that so small? Alright, perfect. Now that that's done. Oh wait, I think this is supposed to be more. No, we'll just keep it down like that. And we'll make another one of these. And today, I'm also just going to work on making a stats page. Because that's what the game has, stats page. I'm trying to make it look as accurate as possible. So yeah. I know the side part right here looks a little, it's supposed to look a little different. But that's probably what I'll fix in like part 3 or maybe even this video. We'll see. I gotta add this part. I'll just do it later. Next, I also need to make sure this is spelled right. Pretty sure that's how you spell medieval. And make this just look a tad nicer. That I'm pretty sure it was white. It's like white right here. Oh, that's like pink. It's supposed to be like white with like a very like oops, that's eraser. Like very light gray around, so like that. Oops. My bad, I just gotta delete this part right here. Second. There, now we just need to get these guys, the king, the, let's go, unicorn. Oh wait, I have to update the unicorn's horn, so just move that aside. Pretty big right there, so we'll just go 20. And that looks slightly better. I think it needs to look more thicker a bit. Maybe just a little bit darker. Like that, and then delete that. And perfect. This pink more brighter. Pretty sure it was a queen on the cover of the pack, but I guess we'll just go Jester. But you know what? You know what I could add to the Jester? Pretty sure they have like the bells on their hat, like that. Yeah, I guess that makes it look slightly better. So, oops. Yeah, I think that looks good. Alright, we have 30 more minutes left. So, next thing I probably want to add is, what else do I want to add? Probably a yes or no thing. Like when you click on the pack, it says open pack, yes or no. Or, you know what I want to do? Should probably finish this part. You know what? I'm just going to update the text here. And this line right here is supposed to be white, or like that. Yeah, I guess 8 is good. And of course, we gotta, oops. Gotta make it thinner, which is gonna be hard, so. Okay, never mind. I think that's gonna be way too hard, so. I wonder how I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll just make a new line like this. Maybe like that. Yeah, I think that works. And yeah, I think the game looks slightly better. So, yep. Ooh, the elf. I think I also gotta update the elf. So we'll just delete that, and we'll just do this. The smile looks kind of cursed, so I'm just gonna change it. Pretty sure it's like this. Alrighty. Now another thing I need to add is probably not necessary, but it's gonna be kind of nice to have, is a pop-up. So just make this white. Make this the purple color, which is gonna be hard. 60, 72. Like that. Of course, these two be like this. Same thing with books page or the tab mark. And another easy thing I could just do is just paint bucket it like that. It's much easier. Perfect. Do this and make this bigger. Oops. So yeah. Alright, now I need to add the code. It shouldn't be too hard. Alright, now we're done, so it should look like... Okay, now this looks not well. The market works, but this doesn't, so we'll just change the costume here. Let's grab this color, paint bucket again. It's right here, and make it white. Is that right? Oh no, that is not right. So we gotta delete this again. Oops. I'm gonna have to add this. Wait, no, I think I was right before. Oh no, I screwed up. Screwed up bad. Oh, I guess it's fine. So I guess we change this text, I guess, to make it look even. Kind of annoying, but kind of have to do it. How come it didn't update? So it says market right here, but it's supposed to say looks. Oh, now I get it. So I just gotta turn this code off. So much better. Perfect. Now the only issue is that this is lower, which is gonna be annoying. So we'll just fix that right there. Now this is smaller. Oh my. Wait, did I just accidentally delete the other costume? Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. So now we have to fix this all over again. This pop-up wasn't so hard when I was using it to make Pinkett, and there's something else behind it that I gotta delete. Yep, it's this old text right there. So difficult. Oh my gosh, this is so hard and annoying. Alright, so I fixed it, and now we're good. Now our game is pretty... Ooh, I got the king right there. Yep, the game's pretty good. How much time is left on the timer? 15 minutes. So, should I probably continue updating the art of the books? But you know what I need to do? Next episode, I'll probably finish the books tab. In episode 4, I'll do the stats that don't do anything. So, yeah, temporarily, I'm gonna just X that out right there. So, yeah. Probably another thing I gotta do is make this bigger and better. 15 more minutes, so... Yeah, now we have a better game overall. With, ooh, nice, another king. With better artworks, no more bugs, and pretty well working. Next thing I need to add is to make this slightly lower. So we just say switch the position to make it Y go down even more. Maybe 20, 15, less X, so 30, or 40, maybe 50, probably 50. Yeah, say 50 works. So, yup. Now it goes dead center, and I got a king, which is nice. Next thing I need to add is the thing around here, so just do it here. And just like that. Now we need to make the name appear, so which should probably make this a tad taller. Just like that, and like this. And now we add uncommon. There's no outline allowed? Oh, that sucks. So, write uncommon, maybe pixel? Yeah, maybe that works. I'll just give it a... Yeah, that looks a lot like the game. Now it should look like this. Maybe I should make the text a tad bigger. Like that. And perfect, just like that. Next thing I need to add is drop rate. So right here, the drop rate, it should be 19%. 19%. Alrighty, that should be good. And I just have one more issue. This is kind of in the way, so I'm just going to temporarily move this right here. Yeah, that won't work, so we just move this one too, like that. group this and of course do that. So perfect. And we're done. So I didn't copy it. Oh my gosh. But at least I grouped it. So we'll do that for all of them. Just do that. Put that there. Put that there. Just putting it in place for all of them. And I have 10 minutes left. Dang, 10 minutes. So yeah, we'll start with the uncommons. Oops. So we have to ungroup it. It's just gonna be annoying, so elf. King. For starters, I'm just gonna rename it. So yeah. Unicorn. Dragon. The Jester. The Wizard. And last but not least, the Slime Monster. Next thing I want to do is just change the wizard a bit. So that looks better. And now we'll just change the drop rate. So rares were probably 8%. See here. Yep, they were 8%. Until I had the queen and the fairy, but I'm going to probably do that next episode. That sucks because I wanted to do it this episode. We do it for the unicorn. And of course the king. And we have to center it. Maybe I'll just make the horn a little lower. Same for the eyes. Maybe I'll just do that. How much longer? I have 7 minutes. Now for a dragon, just gotta make some real horns. So we'll just make this darker and add some real horns. That. And we'll curve it. You have no idea what I'm doing, so second. Yeah, maybe that looks a little better. I'll probably do it in the 120 minutes video. Now next I just need to change the Jester. So first we change the text to rare. and the color is blue. And same for the dragon, like that. And now we do it for the unicorn. Last but not least, the king. I don't think the king was 1%. Yeah, the king is 2% right now, which is my bad. The unicorn is 6%. And yeah. Now, the game's pretty good, and I have 5 minutes left. So yeah. Ooh, king second try. Now I'm just gonna make these smaller. So set size to probably 80. Oh no, not 1,000. 80,000. Yeah, I think that works. Maybe I just need to recenter it now. So probably make it go more to the right. So 30. That's a little too much. 40. Make it even more lower. I think that's better. So 40 and 10. So yep, now we have a way more improved game. Now one last thing I'm gonna do before my time's up is because like you could like click on this and it will not go, so yeah, we just need to make it so when this right clicked, broadcast hide. So here, okay, now that's an issue. So also I'm gonna do this. Perfect, and we could do that, and there we go. Oh, I got the king. So yeah, there we go. Next thing I want to do is, oh, probably I can't. I probably have enough time for it, but I'm just going to name these sprites. So, medieval pack, medieval background, looks, wait, medieval looks med. This is the looks tab. King M. Market tab and stats tab, which does nothing. Now we just need to make a new thumbnail, which is this. We need to update this for part 3. Coming soon. We can look at it in Scratch in 120 minutes. So yeah. I bet it's gonna probably come very soon, so probably around January 15th or later. So yeah. Well, that's it for the video. I have 40 seconds left, but I used those seconds to rename it even though it's not supposed to. Also, go join my Discord server. It's called Blooket. So, yeah. 30 seconds left, but well, I do have 30 seconds left, so yeah, I'm just gonna add effect for, I'm just gonna make this look, you know, when I click on it, it has like that edge. I don't know how I get it, so I'm just gonna try to add it. Now, just, oh no, yeah, I can't add it now. 3, 2, 1, and it's the time, so let's go see the game. So we have the pack, we have all of this, looks got rework. You can find how rare it got, like, you're like, oh my gosh, I got the king. I wonder how rare it was. You're like, oh, it's 2% chance, and it's much smoother. The pack doesn't show in the blooket anymore, and the line doesn't look that good. But hey, at least the game looks way better. The next update, I'm gonna probably do. So yeah, see you next time, and goodbye.